I bake a lot of salmon fillets. They cook so quickly, and I'm always thinking of new recipes for them. Put 500 grams of green beans in a roasting tin or an oven-proof dish. Drizzle over 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper and toss together. Lay 4 chunky salmon fillets on top and brush these with olive oil too. Season the fish. Roast in a 190-degree fan oven for 12 minutes. Meanwhile, fry 50 grams of breadcrumbs with garlic and chopped cornichons until golden. Add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and the zest of half a lemon. Mix well. When there's 2 minutes to go on the salmon, spoon the breadcrumbs on top and pop back in the oven for a final burst. Serve the fish with a squeeze of lemon and some little boiled potatoes.